questions.
I lie. What you come up with?
Yes, son, just them.
Jesus Christ!
Yeah. Hear me, like, some like when I adventure.
What's up, guys? You know your boy and we out there. Andrew Squad. You know what I mean? We know we don't have a cuss. We know it's been a while since we do a blind date, but I promise for doing a banger. So here's it right now. So we have two lovely people over here. This morning I'm a brethren. She saw him with me on a video and she asked for a blind date. She already know him look, as you guys know. But him don't know how she look. Because I always tell him, so I go give my girl and I go put him on a date and all of that. And he must say, anytime ready. So now is the time. So watch a style here. You know the drill already. You get me? You always watch the channel so you know what time it is. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Guys, I need you for comment. You know, see what Andrew Squad interact with you. I always respond to you. So I want to now give me the questions, give me the suggestions. And just a comment, guys, share, and I tell on a friend to subscribe and tell for them friend and the other friend and the other friend and the cousin and the auntie and the sister and the brother. Do it! Because we know we out here, you know what I mean? So, let's get to the video. Anyways, so introduce yourself, my G.
Shanks.
Shanks, speak up, you know, because we want the people in here, you know.
Yeah,
so, Shanks, the tattoo artist. And this lovely, beautiful young lady over here, what's your name?
Abby.
Abby. You know the little drama with me and the the next person named Abby. So I hope this woman ain't come with drama because my friend I like the drama. You hear that? So you know them drama queen, eh?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
You not gonna hurt him?
I like drama.
You not gonna break him heart?
No.
You sure?
Sure.
Alright. You hear for yourself as she said. Anyways, let's go. So me have a few questions more to ask. First, me could do a little field test. Two and hold out in the hand, let me see what I'm going. So, alright, so right here, when you just feel, you know, the hand and you just can't just feel and judge and you tell me what you think and you know, wow, you can't let go, no, you know, you know, so, alright, so, you first, Shanks, or unfeel when you feel, what do you think?
But I unfeel soft still.
You have to speak up, my G.
So I unfeel soft still.
I unfeel soft.
Yeah, you know?
You say you feel like you don't want and they rub down your chest and thing.
Anytime.
Boom.
Right now.
Right now? Are you ready for rub down your chest? You ready for rub down your chest, Abby?
Let's see.
Let's see. Alright, so what you think from the feeling from his hand?
Well, look like him thick, yeah, and him honest and rough, me like that. And
oh, so the thickness catch you when you see it on the video?
Yeah, so the hand alone make you feel as it is. So,
oh, so you like thickness? Me not hear what you say? You like thickness?
something like that.
Okay. So I guess you win so far, you know, G. Shanks a win. Alright. So, you know what I need for ask though? What are you really looking for? Like, you want a real man, like a relationship and settle down and kids and married and fly out on tour and all of them things.
Yeah, I want a man that is all about me, you know, like everything is like all about me. It make me feel insecure.
Speak up, madam here. Speak
You
up,
know,
madam
I
here.
feel insecure or insecure about him or worry about another woman and them something them treat me right, princess treatment, right? You understand so?
Princess treatment. Where is the Shanks? You think I can withstand all of that?
as long as you can be a princess, isn't it? Not just say you're a princess, but act like one, then
I am.
definitely.
Okay, so basically she have to be a princess in order to be treated as one.
Exactly, you can't just get,
okay.
and not even princess treatment, a queen treatment, isn't it?
Okay.
You hear that? Alright, Papa because she look like a nice girl still, you know. She look like a wife type princess queen, you know what I mean?
Well, can't wait to see.
You want to see? Alright, we're not rushed apart there yet. Come on. I kind of feel a little chemistry there now. Now the room I get hot. You don't feel that? You don't feel that? Yo, I swear on the AC on. Can you imagine? Alright, so Shanks, what you really are look for, bro G?
Honestly, just look somebody, you know, down to earth, total realness, you know. Both of we can build each other type of thing. Now look for just somebody who just jump on board when everything is sail, isn't it?
Oh, okay. So you hear that, Abby?
Yeah.
And you think you're ready for that? You don't look like you're sure, Abby, man.
Let's see.
No, I want a stern answer. You think you can manage all the way you require?
Sometimes I'm just talking, and when them get it, them don't know the good use of things until them use it.
No,
Them just
man.
always have mouth, or when them get it, them don't know what to do with it.
Can't judge everybody as man, you know. If you know a person individually, that's it.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. Let's see.
Alright.
Let's see. So, hold on there. Until you guys see physically,
Yeah.
we don't want to see basically. Yo, I could have tell artist, you know. Watch his style. Alright, watch it now. So basically, before I unfold it, you know what I mean? I just want to tell me so far, our voice, his voice, when I feel a little energy they like it a connect like some relation there. True.
No, like yeah, voice. She's have a little innocent voice and things still, but you know, can't just.
She innocent.
Yeah,
true.
she look how innocent. Oh gosh,
She look
gosh.
innocent for true.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're innocent, Abby?
Well,
You're innocent.
I'm gonna get trouble.
You not get trouble.
Mm-mm.
What kind of trouble you mean, Nagi? Like stone people house and them something like that?
I'm not getting no type of trouble.
You not get no type of trouble. You're a Christian.
Mm-hmm.
You're a saint. Lie. She's a saint. Shanks, you want a saint girl? You don't want a rough, hardcore, real type of gangstress.
No, me want to be the soft girl. Like,
No, mama,
I'm
yeah.
a soft girl era right now.
Yeah, man. Rather something say.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I want to make sure the people in my ear know. So when I have a
yeah,
project
man.
with no
She
voice,
up on
look
the right.
everything.
She up on the right level.
She up on the right
Me want to
level.
be the, you know, and I'm a soft girl era right now, so make him be the man. I know I'm the, you understand?
Okay.
Make
That's
him.
right. That.
So you want a masculine type of, what you call it? What's the word again?
No, for
Dominant.
angle.
We say no for
no, for
angle it.
Angle the lady.
Oh, yeah, that was sexy at that one. She reached her sex already, she jumped the gun.
Jump it.
Yo, when you see some
Overall.
Cupid, piss you.
Overall.
See that? A chemistry this, you know? Chemistry, mama. I probably sweat them, I sweat. Not to want to touch up the man girl too much. Anyways, you see that? Chemistry this, you know? And who caused that? Your boy Andre Squad. So what's your style? You want me to go make you know. You know why you turn to the right, sorry. Yeah, and just turn to the left. Shanks, yeah. And then when you take on the time, take off the mask. Me not tell you say ready yet, brother. Yeah, here's the thing, so choose you know you look. Alright, first see like how you rush it, Abby. Take off your mask first. Cause you already know if you're expecting it, cause you know how the G look and thing, and you say you like him and thing, but keep your face round there. Alright, Shanks. Take off your mask. Don't look around though, you know, just take off your mask. Yeah. Take off your mask. Don't look around, brother. Turn around. Alright. Make sure you're not cheating. You know. Alright. Because she don't like a cheater.
Yeah, man.
Okay. So me I gonna give you a countdown. So after 3, I want you to turn around and look each other in one of the eye and say the first thing will come to your mind. Shanks, you first I gotta talk what come to your mind, being that you already know you look. So after 3, 1, 3. Ah! She don't like what she seen. Watch it. Yo, when you can't let go, you know? When make my video go on, you can't block me out. Yo, Shanks. Where you see your boy did it?
Yeah.
I hit this.
100%.
Yes, you like where you see?
100%.
Alright, so tell her where you think. May I go and watch where I'm going?
No, like I said, but innocent look still, but I hope say that no deceiving, you know? Because most girls they look innocent, you know?
Speak up.
Yeah.
You're Abigail? You just didn't blush and go inside. You people blush. Abigail, come on here. What come to your mind, you know, that you actually meet the person where you reach out to me and say you want to meet and go on a date with? You think there's a second date coming up?
Can't start the first date now.
I mean, I need to hear something on me. You can't speechless. Speechless.
Just
Yo!
stick on there.
Yo. Jesus. Yeah. Yo. Hey, what you want teeth?
Do you think you go out with enough?
Yo. I'm supposed to see my friend and skin him teeth right now. Guys, when you see what I go on, I know some of that fine chemistry, you know. I want it with me, I don't go science class, you know, but I tell you, chemistry, I'm a top subject. I know I'm a pass chemistry, because this is it. Though?
Yes.
Definitely. 100%.
That is it.
Yes, man.
So, Abigail, you can talk to him and tell him what you look for. Being that you already have physical features where you like, tell him what you look for, you know. What you don't really want in a man, like, what you want him have, that type of attribute that I'm characteristic there.
Like ambitious and.
I mean, I tell me know what me have already.
Once you're loyal and not hit that in your man.
Yeah, I'm not like a cheater. I don't like that.
The man of animals can't be a cheater.
That is it, man, full of style too. So, what is it that you do, Shanks? Like, makes you know what your profession.
He's a tattoo artist.
When you hear that, guys, tattoo artist, so you know if you know one thing. As a matter of fact, you know, because you know Shanks, right? You remember this? A Shanks he do this, and I will it more. Because you know what I mean? And them man are the man for link. And I want to go check out my cousin page, Naji the Mother on Instagram. This is not a promotion video, but I need you to go over there and go follow him. And go follow Incaps, which is Shanks' page. Shanks' name, Incaps page in business. So you need to go over there.
Love, say that part that's still on there, isn't it?
What?
Say Incaps are the because bag of people call me Incaps.
Yeah, me have to make them know.
Right,
I'm a virgin. You see, we feel like we are twin.
Yeah,
you know the ladies them love. Anyways, as I say, guys, go over to Incaps. Shanks are the man. We don't know if no one no bad tattoo them. Everything up. All colors, all style, all size. If you don't want 3D, are the right nigga this feeling. Back to the video. So, Abby, what is it that you do? What's your profession?
Okay, I work at a rum factory.
Yeah.
Shanks and like drink rum. In the drink, you know?
Liquor anyway, so that good, man.
So that good? So you want to bring rum every day for you and you drink it?
Bring it home for me.
Oh, you want to drink the rum?
Sorry beer, ginger beer.
No, me and him no drink. We're kind of like the same.
No drink at all.
So is that a turn on?
No drink, no smoke. Something wrong with that?
We no drink, we no smoke.
Something wrong with that?
No, nothing no wrong.
Nothing wrong
You
with
like
that?
that?
Sure.
It's okay.
So you like that? I don't ever tell you now, him ever tell nobody talk to
You
me.
drink?
No, not after.
Occasionally.
Not often.
Yes.
Oh, so she's a
No.
Good. Like that. You can drink, don't really have a problem with
Yeah,
it.
because I like it
But
come
the
home
smoking
well
thing,
drunk.
Yeah, you know?
Yo, me not get involved in people in business, guy, but you don't know, sometimes you have to be inquisitive, come on, know what go on, because when this done, and them head red pan pillar and thing, me don't know what go on after that.
And
I'm
him
just...
go pan skin and thing,
The man all want tattoo his name for your neck already.
Make
You better than... Which way I put it? Jesus! Across her heart!
Right place.
Yo! Them man don't know if find a woman heart, so you know what I mean? And them man don't know if use needle. So I think you want a problem with him.
So come and sing down here, so.
Yeah.
Huh?
Talk to her now.
Kind of just the face alone, you know, like, yeah, you know?
Just picky.
Just pick it.
Yes, and when me I look for
And me I talk to her, me I talk to. She keep on and look at me. And
What
me.
do you mean by where you look for?
Come speak
maybe
up.
sometimes I wonder like if when me I ask for it too much.
What
I
is it that
understand
you
that
ask for?
me just can't settle for the bare minimum because if me in a relationship I'm still say you need not try out whatever. You just
What?
it don't
So,
make no sense.
so is it that you have problem with the sex part or what? When you
No,
ask for
that is-
sexually, them not normally come up.
No,
oh,
that
them, okay.
different.
Them
But
don't
me
meet
I
the
say
requirements?
like for make me feel like say like if somebody can come to me and say in a relationship you can say you know that confidence there in yourself like me just can't bother.
Was in, well, can be yourself around a person type of thing?
Or the person is not confident enough to be themselves
Me
around
just
you?
the main fact is me just can't settle for less and the bare minimum. Me understand like simple good things them way so that me want like more and like not get it, some just choose to say just single and just easy until I find what I want. I'm not gonna switch.
So,
Just watch
until
it.
you find what you want. So,
Just make it happen naturally, isn't it?
Yeah, nah rush.
Yeah.
so basically, them say when you want something, you have to go for it, guys. I don't know Andrew Squad is all about that. She reached out to me and tell me say she want do a blind date with Shanks. So obviously she see what she want and she go for it. And that no look bad. Shanks now obviously is very pleased with what he's seeing right now. Because
100%.
as me tell you no, I never see this man has skin so much yet and the man has a skinny teeth. So obviously me did it. Me did it. So I actually do the right thing, guys. So you don't know my style. You don't know say me not go around a corner. We don't know. I may be straight up and straightforward with everything. You know what I mean? So I think we need to get more steamy in the video now. You know what I mean? What are you looking for sexually in a relationship? Because me hear earlier out the door I talk where you can't be boring man, you know. Someone you tell him what you look for, you know. So we need to hear this.
Let me come prepared because I know say I'm going to ask that question.
Speak up. Speak
come
up.
prepared because I know you're going to ask that question and you know say I'm my
Prepare. So
partner.
you say you're going to do it. You can't do it on my video, you know. Prepared. What you mean? Like canoe? Like you bring canoe?
No, I know say I'm going to ask that question and I just want to put it out and make him know say yes that that's me really like into and like stuff.
Come, we
No,
need
come
to
here,
hear.
just say.
We need-
What is ask what a question?
What is it that you look for sexually
Hmm.
in your partner, in a relationship? Because me here outside
Alright,
saying
first
like
of all,
boring,
me
man.
like man adventurous, romantic, bad. And he just go on, you know, if just go on with himself and not angle the lady. Understand?
Speak up,
They
speak up,
say-
more here.
Me come out with a little something coming. No one said I'm gonna ask that question.
I lie. What you come up with?
Yes, and just them.
Jesus Christ! Yeah!
Hear me like some like when I
Nobody
adventure.
got a handcuff to your ass,
Yeah.
God.
So where
How
you
is
gonna
this?
come?
Look at that.
Come near me.
You stay the police? Alright, first thing first.
Let me see that.
Dora alone go on adventure, isn't it?
So you
When you
explore.
find that, she explore. She explore. When you find Dora thing, isn't it? The only thing we can do is be a boots, isn't it? Just wear one, isn't it? That's it. But the adventurous thing, like, no.
Man, same can be a boots and
Yeah.
wear one.
Yeah,
The
that's
man
it.
not up on the door
Up on,
explorer thing.
Exploring thing I really my thing still, isn't
But
it?
Yo.
suppose I'm me your uncle.
Take your handcuff.
Not for handcuff, man.
Enough uncle.
No, man. Once you upon the
When I
bed,
was speak up,
One
guys.
place upon the bed that they say I stay now moving the handcuff.
Really?
Yeah, man, I say, come on.
I don't know, waste, but I need this
Yeah,
then.
yeah.
You know, as so fast him manipulate your mind and make it change from the adventure.
100%. 100.
Say something, I need this.
Don't need it.
You need to handcuff me on time. You just
100%. Not tie up, no.
You don't need me for come and take
Isn't
care.
it? One animal, you know? Goat them tie up and thing.
You
like that,
sure?
isn't it? Positive.
You don't think me need to come and take that car because this room, me I get hot. This room I get too heated. Oh no, Musa. So me ask you now again.
Oh my, really bring
This-
a handcuff.
Yo, she bring a handcuff, bro,
hey.
God.
Yo.
I mean, you're not a shy girl anymore.
Innocent.
This is
Innocent.
not the me, you know.
Innocent. Tell you about the looks, you know?
You see, looks are deceiving, you know, bro.
Deceiving. But I say,
I be
still, isn't
shy,
it? Be
you know?
yourself still, isn't it? I know.
But at least she put,
Person,
you
yeah,
know, she
isn't
come
it?
out and tell me what she want, and she's showing you what she
No,
like as well.
everything, man, isn't
So
it?
nothing is wrong
I should
with
even
being.
that thing, but this guy look how him tick for escape out of them and for move.
Yo,
and
Shanks,
walk on me.
are you man? We don't know each other a long
No,
time. I
no,
mean, you not
man.
prank.
I just say, guess sometimes when a person and the next person meant to be together, isn't it? Just have the little, you know, I'm not gonna say chemistry, but just have the little, you know?
But me feel like me find chemistry. So me know what you tell me. You know.
100%.
Oh, okay,
100%.
okay. You make the man all speak in English. 100%. Yo, guys, what you think? Wanna please state it in the comment section. Me need for hear. Yo, the
Hey.
one still jam with
Hey, I swear to God.
Yo, Abby,
Hey, woman,
I swear,
put your
even
hand
me
up.
is shocked. Because I know you're shy. I'm not.
Handcuff.
So you normally use that?
Never answer that.
Alright, me know why
Yo.
the business. Shanks will find out sooner or later.
No, man.
Yo,
In the same
guys,
strong.
Yeah.
you just have to feel him. I hear people still
Not to
can't
be
do
shy,
it, right?
man. Not to be shy.
You don't have to be shy. So you can touch if you like. You can.
I
Touch
was
if you
single,
like.
now I'm taken down.
Whoa! Whoa! You can't let go now. You just a go along so. Yo, guys. You know, say me no feel when me shoot, me no miss. Oh, say me are the Cupid. Me are the real Cupid. That
Right.
is it. Andrew Squad. You know what I mean? Me need you to use up the hashtag, guys. You need to use it up. Andrew Squad. You know what I mean? Please comment it down in the comment section below. Me will put his Instagram name in the description, her Instagram name and TikTok name in the description below. So you need to go over there and follow them. Follow them if you want the tattoo, link him. And anything else you want to contact me. Anybody else who want to go on a blind date or want to find true love, male or female, you know, so you have to just connect me up. Link me on Instagram, link me on TikTok. Andrew Ray Squad on Instagram. Andrew_Ray Squad. That is the Instagram name. You need to go over there, follow me and link me. Everybody know Andrew Ray Squad very responsive. I always respond to you, so I just connect up. You know what I mean? I'm a bridging in a Jacksil. I can't remember the name, but you know yourself. Big up yourself for me then at the biscuit, at the bread chuck what you when you heal me up. Big up yourself, my brother. I see you're a real fan. You're not a joke fan, you're AC. You think large. Big up. Ingrid, Kia, Nikki, all of me top supporters, all of my subscribers, my fans, my supporters, I appreciate you and you motivate me to do this. You always show me and tell me, say, yo, when you drop the next video, when you drop the next video, you say, you know what? Today is an holiday and this day is for you guys. Andrew could appreciate you. I find love in the car tonight because I want we out here. You know what I mean? Big up.